Hi everyone, my name is Rahul Chauhan. I have done my diploma in civil engineering. After my diploma, I started looking for a job. Due to lack of software skills, I faced many rejections. I wanted to learn software, so I went on Google and then searched for an institute. But Milestone Institute of Technology have a good and positive reviews, so I decided to join MIT. I came to MIT for inquiry and I got understood what I have to do with my career based on my previous studies. I took demo lectures and I decided to join MIT. I got enrolled professional Revit architectures, and in addition, MIT is Autodesk Authorized Center. I have been provided industry-based training for software, so I choose like AutoCAD and Revit architecture. During my course period, I started getting placement opportunity from multiple companies. Now I am happily placed with Global Drafting Studios. Absolutely yes. If you are looking to learn design software, there is not any best institute than MIT, because teaching staff is very well experienced, and I especially thanks for all the faculties as they have supported me during my course period.